Hello everyone, welcome to Codecrafters Lab. So today we are going to solve one of the TUF plus problem, print last character of string. So it is a very simple problem. So what we need to do is there is a string given as take you forward and we want to identify the last character. So it is T here. Then good for you, it is U here, the last character in love coding. It is G here. Yeah, so what we can do is like we want to return a character. So what we will do, return. So there is one method called as char at for the string. So what it returns is like char at that particular index. We want to pass, let's say, integer index for that. So if you pass 0, it will give the first character of the string. If you pass 1, then the second character. So how we will identify the last character? What we will do, we will use string length. So s dot length, we know the string length. So using this function, we can find the length and we want to pass the last index of the string. So we will do string length minus 1 and we have forgot to add the semicolon. Yeah, it is accepted. And talking about the time complexity, it is O of 1 since we are just trying to access the one of the uh, string character through the indices. So that is O of 1 and space complexity is also O of 1 since we are using only few variables which takes constant space here. So yeah, that's it. So we have completed the first section of language basic. Thank you. Bye.